What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Minecraft Steve. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page and draw a large square for the head. We're going to start over on the left side at the very top. Draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right to right about there. And I want to draw that same length line coming down the side of the head. So let's start back on the left. Coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go to the right side. Come down towards the same height. And it'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Now I want to create some perspective to the head. From the top corners, angle this up and in towards the back, and we'll flatten that off. Now let's draw the face inside the head. We're going to start with the edge of the beard. Starting on the left, draw a straight line going up, go all the way over towards the right, draw that same length line. Now I'm just going to flatten this off with a straight line. Let's add in the nose. On the left side, go straight up, go across, and then bring that down. Now I want to extend the side of the nose coming down the side of the beard, and it will flatten off the bottom. Let's go up to the top corners of the nose and draw in the eyes. We're going to go up towards the top, go straight across. Let's come down the side, and we'll pull that back in towards the top corners of the nose. Now we're going to separate the eyes with a line. So we're going to step out, draw one line coming down. Let's go all the way up to the top of the head and add the hair. We'll start with a straight line coming in on both sides. So we want to line that up. Go up with a short line, and then we'll flatten that off. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start on the left side, go straight down towards the hip, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line, and we'll go back up to the top and draw on the collar. Start with two lines coming down, come in and then down towards the bottom, and then we'll close that off. Let's go back to the hips and draw the outside of the legs. We're going to bend this out and then down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's flatten off the bottom, coming straight in. Now I want to curve this up and in towards the center point. Going up and then in towards the middle. Let's add some perspective to the legs. From the inside corners, angles up and in. And then again, we're going to follow this curve, going up and then in towards the middle. Over on the right side of the hip, we're going to draw the shirt coming down, out, and down, and then back out. And then along the bottom, we're going to separate the feet. We're going to step up, draw a straight line going across on both sides. And we're just going to angle this up and in along the inside of the legs. Now I'm going to go all the way back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start from the side of the body, angle this up and then out, just lining up with the side of the head. From the outside, bend the arms, going out and then down. Let's flatten off the hands, moving down and in. Now I want to follow this curve, going up and then back in toward the side of the body. Let's go back up to the top corner of the arms, come straight in towards the side of the body. Let's go down towards the bottom, come up and in with a short line, and we'll follow this curve, going up and then in towards the side of the body. Now we're going to finish off by adding the sleeve on the left side, angle this down and in, and it comes straight in towards the side. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Minecraft Steve. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.